The masquerades were out in Sofia, and Chijioke summoned the courage to leave the car. Ezenwa tried to convince him to come out from the house and run with the masquerades. But this thing is not for the faint-hearted. You need to be fast in running and smart in your movement. Chiji felt more comfortable with the protection of a friend. But still on high alert for his environment. In the meantime, Obere Chief, Ziora and Uchenna were waiting inside the car. But then a big masquerade came. Atakampo. This one has knife and is really not a children's masquerade. Chijioke was still outside. Lucky for him, Ezenwa came out of the car and stood by him. And this way, Chijioke even got to see Atakampo from close by. And together with his dad, was able to give him some money.